Yo, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, man. Y'all already know who I be, what I do, man. It's your boy, KPZ / Veteran Junior. Man, y'all already know who I am, man. I don't need no introduction, man. I keep saying man, though. Anyway, y'all off in the head to take Stormi to the shop. That's my car name, by the way. Who named that car that? But yeah, I'm finna go take Stormi to the shop. We finna go take should I tell y'all? I don't know if I should tell y'all. Just in case I tell y'all, man, we finna go take out the headliner. I got some ideas coming forward. If you take out the headliner, excuse me again. 9 times out of 10, you know what's going on. I'm finna put stars in the roof of Stormi and this Kia Stinger, man. Y'all stay tuned. When I get there, I'll just show y'all what I did. Well, I actually already started taking some stuff off in the car, y'all. So I'm finna show y'all when I get to the car. When I get to the building, I'm just gonna set up the tripod and we're finna get to work just trying to take out this headliner. Hopefully we don't mess it up or wrinkle it. I really don't want to mess it up. It's my headliner, so I already know how it is. This time, hey, it better be a warranty on everything, man. On everything. So, alright, y'all, we in the car. My car's a mess, so y'all probably won't see it. Well, y'all see some of it. We finna head. We finna head to the take my star roof off. I mean, take my headliner off. I just gave it away. We gotta go take my headliner off. I've already took off some pieces. All these are just like, if you can see it in focus, all these are like just little clips or push pins. You just get a flathead and push it out. Here, same thing. I already took some of it out, so save us the trouble. These just have screws in it. Can you see? Go ahead, focus. Hell nah. Y'all can't really see, it's dark. That's just the light. And it's pretty much on everyone. Yeah, it's too dark for y'all to see. Yeah, once we get there and get better lighting, I'll go ahead and show y'all what needs to be done, what needs to be taken out. It's pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty easy. Y'all stay tuned, man. We be back. Oh shit, where the lighting at? Hey y'all, so we just got to the destination. We already starting to take out the headliner and stuff like that. This the mirror. Then just throw it in the trunk. Here my boy. I just met him, but we finna still go to work. Yo.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, we finna get to work. We already taking out the headliner and everything. He's taking out all the screws right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Easy work. But hey, y'all stay tuned. I ain't got nowhere to prop up the camera, so when we take it out fully, I just show y'all. Once we get done with most of the stuff, I'll come back and show y'all again, man. Y'all, so we just got done. Damn that lawnmower, man. We just got done taking the headliner out. The headliner is already in his way in the house to go get worked on. But y'all, this was like really hard to work on, man. This is probably the hardest thing I took off on my car was the headliner. It's just the little clips, the tabs. You only got so much hand room, wiggle room to pull it out. And then I broke 2 clips, which is my fault. I'm just gonna go to Kia right now and replace them. A lot of it's hard, man. But I got it done. He finna get right. Hopefully this man go away. But I'm finna show y'all what it look like without the headliner, man. Excuse the mess. This is just what it looked like. All that had to be pulled off. You probably can't really see, but it's just the headliner. So I'm finna be riding like this for the weekend. That's okay. We finna take the wrap off tomorrow. Y'all just stay tuned, man. We finna get Stormi right, man. She's looking mad. All this had to come on. My dash cam, my wires. But y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get back with y'all, man, when the video done, man. When the car complete. If y'all can hear me, yeah, he's probably too far. But sweatpants with a flannel is crazy work right now. We're in Georgia, y'all. It is hot. I have on shorts and a short sleeve shirt. But yo, his fit, oh, they both have on sweats, so luckily I didn't wear my green sweats today. But his are like, he just like, look like pajamas for bitch ass nigga. My video, punk ass nigga. Hey, that's nasty work, bro. That's nasty.
Hey, my dog.
That's nasty work. Wait, stop. The sweat. Okay, everything is color coordinated, twin. But the rest, bro, it's Georgia. We're in Georgia, dude.
I'm chilling, bro. It was brick this morning.
This morning. When was the last time you went out the house?
This morning.
All right. Anyway, welcome to the show, man. Say what's up, bro. My bad. I had to introduce you like that.
Hey, gang.
What's up, DC?
Hey, gang.
All right, y'all. We at this food bank. I got a lot of ones, so we're gonna be counting all day.
This motherfucker, yeah. Look at this whole ass nigga paying all ones. Look at him.
Alright, y'all again.
Yeah, my money at the club working for me. Y'all, my stripper name is Bones.
Okay. Good.
I just paid for both of my broke homeboys. They didn't have no cash, and I didn't want them boys to wait in the line, you know?
Niggas say anything.
Yeah, man, I sure appreciate it. Y'all go follow my OnlyFans.
Hold on, bro.
Yeah,
Ooh.
hey, man. Dollars only, man.
Look, niggas get out here and act different. Y'all see him? This y'all boy K Peasy's. His hair real peasy. Look at the back of his neck. That boy need a cut.
Hey, twin, get off my beat, bro. God damn.
Yeah, Glizzy Master.
Yeah, Glizzy Gobbler. Yum.
Really, nigga?
Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. We get here. I'm gonna get catfish fillet. Hey, y'all, we got, what's it? Velma and what's her name?
Daphne.
Yeah, get him.
I got him on camera.
The last time I saw somebody wear that was on OnlyFans. There was role playing. You paid for it? Yeah. No, it was mine. You didn't drop that $5? Oh.
He said it was mine.
Yes, sir. Hey, what was you eating, bro? What were you eating?
Some French fries.
Let me see. Stop. Take.
They go some milk right now.
Hey, bro, why y'all? You want one? Might as well kill it. What'd you just eat, bro?
My food wasn't that hot, bro.
What'd you just
that
eat?
Shit hot, crispy, some French fries.
And what else?
Shrimp.
What do you eat, twin?
We got a sausage. A fat one in that. Prove it. Look at the cheese.
Look at the
shrimp.
crust.
I mean
Look at the
shrimp.
crust.
I mean shrimp.
Yo, we back again in part 2 of the video. The headliner's already removed. We removed it like 2 days ago. I think so. Yeah, was it yesterday? Nah, it was Friday. Yeah, so we removed it Friday and Sunday. He worked quick. He even said on the phone that he just be nervous about the plug-in part. So we finna drop everything, take all the rubber pieces off, and then we finna install the headliner. I don't think I showed y'all what it looked like inside. I don't know if you can see anyway, it's kinda dark. This is just everything. Yeah, it's a mess, y'all, so. I should have put my sound detonator here, but I was tripping. I'm not worried about it, though. But yeah, we finna get to work, y'all. We out here, we finna get to work. And then I just show y'all when it's done. Y'all might not be able to see it, but at least y'all can see the stars. Yeah, there we go. I look rough, y'all. Yeah, I already know. Hey, it's late at night, y'all, but I just came in here because I'm finna take a ride. Sorry if the car loud, sorry if the wind was loud. But I'm just finna take a ride. I haven't seen them at night, but this is what they look like at night. I think they're hard. Look at the K. That's tough. That's tough. It look real good at night. Shout out to my boy, man. I'll put his socials in the link in the description, man. He did a good job. I might add more. I low-key want some more up front. This was only $300. I should have got the $500 one, but I'm grateful to him. I even have stars. I think this is like the second Kia sticker with stars. Maybe. Don't quote me. It might be more out there. This probably only the second one I see. But y'all already know who I am, who I be, and what I do, man. Your boy KPZ. Shit. I don't know who I am still, y'all. It is something. It is like in the back. That's where the motor is. I don't have my antenna on because the top is wrapped, but I need to find a better push pin because if y'all see it in the daytime, it's kind of sagging. The headliner and the back's kind of sagging. But that's on me. I just have to fix it. Just one clip, y'all. But I don't know what's next, y'all. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all already know who I am, who I be, what I do. Make your boy Season Event Junior, KPC. Y'all stay tuned, bro. We out.